Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Guille, Shredding with B. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you note per note, hot for teacher. Show reel! Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Guille, Shredding with B. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you hot for teacher, the intro. Lick number 1. "12" with right hand and 7 and 3 with your left hand. Leave that open. And then start all over again. 3, 7, 12. All right. Lick number 2. That will be 4 times each. Lick number 3. And then on lick number 4, you do and then you do the last one. So far we have this. Lick number 5. And then our last run, that is like this. Again. So, I'm going to play the whole thing very slow. Part is. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. Follow me on social media, here on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and give your comments down below. See you in another episode of Shredding with Guille, Shredding with me. Show reel.